Hello and welcome guys to this another podcast. This is a quick podcast. रात के क्या टाइम हो रहा है अभी? 11:11 I don't know if it's visible. We are actually on a training. Me and Vinayak Naikar. We are at a training. और पास में हम लोग का रूम है. मैं सोचा कि we were having a conversation and I thought that this conversation should be recorded and put it up here. So Vinayak, how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
कैसा लग रहा है आपका ऐसे ये impromptu podcast?
थोड़ा अजीब है but ठीक है. It's lovely.
Vinayak, can you introduce yourself to the people who are watching this?
Hi, my name is Vinayak. I work as a senior data analyst in Control Case, and I love to teach people. And basically, what I do is when I get time, I get my topics that I have learned so far in this industries. I try to train people in whatever means I can. So yeah, it's like having the best of both worlds, giving and receiving both.
All right. तो ये आप जैसे कि आए हैं इस पर्टिकुलर टीचिंग में, you've been into this particular and you're still working as well. How do you see the difference? Like जब आप आपका ऑफिस का काम करते हो तो आपको satisfaction मिलता है या फिर ऐसे ही टीचिंग ट्रेनिंग करके?
Satisfaction and fulfillment. If you say the word fulfillment, I get from teaching, to be honest.
All right.
That doesn't mean that work is not good. Work is great, but वो एक % रह जाता है कुछ चीज जो बोलते हैं वो शायद टीचिंग.
मैं ये बोल सकता हूँ कि जो बैंक अकाउंट है that is fine with the work,
of course, yeah.
Okay, and teaching gives us yeah, चलो अच्छा है, we are giving back to the society.
Giving back to the society, correct? Yes.
Nice. So how long you been into this particular teaching?
I'm completely new to this teaching, to be very honest. I have 15 years of experience in what I do. I started in 2010, but I recently started teaching, which is like almost 2 years back.
Mm-hmm.
So I consider myself new. Every time I take a new lectures, I learn something, and I still see that every time I take a new lecture, something else to learn about how to give the lectures and all. So I'm completely new to this one.
Alright. So see you, मतलब मैं तो आपको जानता हूँ, 2 साल तो हो गए आपको पढ़ाते ऐसे ही कॉलेज को जाते. How do you find dealing with the current student? How's it?
Kind of a difficult, rather than I will say, majority of the students are difficult because of their attention span problems. And no matter how good you are, you always have to strive hard, and that pain is little bit difficult when it comes to teaching, because जब हम काम करते हैं तो उतना पेन नहीं फील होता, बट हम जब सिखाते किसी को तो वो कंसेप्ट उन पे लैंड हो जाए, ये चीज हम देखते रहते हैं, और वो लैंड कराने के लिए हमारी जो एनर्जी जाती है वो बहुत ज्यादा है, बहुत ज्यादा. तो आई विल से इट्स डिफिकल्ट, बट वी आर ऑल्सो नाउ good with understanding what is required in the market to grab their attention and then land that topic into the heads.
Okay. तो आप तो ऐसा आराम से बोल दिए हो कि थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है, लेकिन फिर भी कर सकते हैं. आजकल जो एक ट्रेंड है कि जेनजी के साथ डील करना बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है इन टर्म्स ऑफ this teaching, and then Gen Z के साथ बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है in terms of the workplace. I want your answers on both.
Both are different, but I will say when it comes to work, right, these people are difficult, but at the same time, it's a work, right? They have to do it because they are earning from that. So little bit seriousness वहाँ पर होती है. And then though there is a huge gap between the way millennials work like me and us. Yes. So basically the idea is that I will say it's difficult to work with them, but at the same time, if you know how to understand their feelings and the way they do, instead of forcing them to work like us, if we understand their needs, and if they understand that I am taking care of their needs, maybe they work nicely with a greater output. But in a bigger picture, it is difficult to handle them. So that's with the idea of the corporate working with them. When it comes to learning, like a student जिनको हम पढ़ाते हैं, उनका ऐसा है कि उनका ध्यान बहुत जगह पे होता है, and it's like learning is something that they want to do it because society is expecting them to learn, right? And then maybe
सोसाइटी से मतलब
घर के लोग, and then घर के लोगों के साथ भी हमारा एक जो पिक्चर होता है कि तुम पढ़ोगे तब तुम्हारी कोई तो वैल्यू होगी, राइट? तो उसमें अर्निंग इज द नेक्स्ट पार्ट, बट स्टडी इज काइंड ऑफ एन वेरी ऑप्शनल पार्ट ऑफ देयर लाइफ, बिकॉज मोस्टली अगर हम MBAs की बात करें, उन्होंने काफी टाइम हम उनके जो बैचलर्स थे जो भी उन्होंने था वो करवा दिया, MBAs में कैसा होता है, they know this is an option that they are choosing it and they are doing good, but at the same time उनका attention grab करना and that to make sure that getting it's little bit very difficult and I can understand that. I mean I'm completely new and आप तो बहुत पुराने हो, आप तो बहुत experienced हो, but what I have learned, because I can basically say because I'm completely new, it's very difficult to get the attention. So comparatively, if you say corporate is little bit okayish, but teaching students is difficult. Gen Zs.
चलो अच्छा है, आप हमारी वैल्यू बढ़ा रहे हैं कि मुश्किल है पढ़ाना उनको और हम वही काम करते हैं। क्या करेंगे, हमको मुश्किल काम पसंद नहीं, सॉरी आसान काम पसंद नहीं।
आसान काम पसंद नहीं है, चैलेंजेस से तो हम आगे बढ़ते हैं।
that's what right, वो चैलेंज है तो that challenge is something which we like, और मुश्किलों का सामना करना हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
Exactly.
तो आपके क्या सवाल, मतलब हमारे जो डिस्कशंस चल रहे थे, एक्चुअली ये क्वेश्चन आया था कि लेट्स गो ऑन टुवर्ड्स, मतलब जो टीचिंग, स्टूडेंट, जेन ज़ीज, ओके फाइन, दैट्स अ टॉपिक, respect them for whatever they are, there's no opposing it, we need to accept whatever it is. I have this question for you on the teaching backend perspective. Suppose a person who is working in Power BI day in day out, he comes for teaching, or a person who is teaching Power BI and teaching other things as well. Suppose you are a student and you want to learn what is Power BI. Will you learn from a person who is actually working in that particular field day in day out on that particular tool, or you will learn from someone who is just teaching that?
For that, I think if I want to learn something, I'll always go with the person who is teaching.
Okay.
The person who has been the only work he has to teach, because he is always up to date with everything, and and this is, I'm just talking about me. If I want to learn, I'll always try to go with some person who is expert in teaching, because my idea is that that person should teach me rather than discussing the stuff. So if you go with a professional one, जो रोज काम कर रहा है, हर रोज उसका काम वही है, वो आपको पढ़ा सकता है, बट वो एक टॉपिक पढ़ा सकता है जो उसे अच्छी से आती है, बट मे बी ही इज नॉट ट्रेन इनफ टू टीच समवन. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज लाइक इट लुक्स गुड ऑन द पेपर्स दैट हाँ वो बंदा रोज काम कर रहा है, तो उससे अगर आप पढ़ रहे हो तो वो अच्छा पढ़ाएगा. मे बी he will be more over, he'll have a generalized idea about one topic that is working every day.
Exactly.
But a trainer like you, if you are teaching, I can make sure that I am completely dependent on you, that आप मुझे पढ़ाओ, और आपको पता होता है कि आपने इतने लोगों को पढ़ा है तो पढ़ाना है कैसे. So I am completely dependent on you and I am completely letting it go that you will be teaching me. तो ये डिफरेंस होता है कि आप वो लोग जो पढ़ा रहे हैं उनके पास में ज्यादा नॉलेज होती है. एट द सेम टाइम इवन आई एम डूइंग द सेम राइट नाउ दैट द टेक्नोलॉजी इज ग्रोइंग सो फास्ट. सो कभी कभी कैसा होता है इंडस्ट्री में हमें उतनी टेक्नोलॉजी रोज यूज करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, बिकॉज it's a company has works like a machine, right? You don't change things every day.
Exactly.
So if I have built something a year back, it's going to go like years and years. Only if there is an external thing that has been asked कि change करो, वरना वो चलती रहती है. But it's not the same with the trainer guys. Every month, like अभी काफी सारे changes Power BI.
Yes, yes.
Every month, everything there is a news update that coming that ये changes हुआ वो. Fabric आने के बाद में the lot
there's a lot.
So
Apple में use करते
Exactly.
हैं, easy.
So basically what has happened that the person who is working is not having that much idea, but the person who is teaching will be having much more idea
of what are the latest things happening.
Exactly.
100%. Yes.
That's the
क्योंकि
case.
बहुत सारे, I would also answer it in the same way. I would also second on that कि जो आदमी एक काम कर रहा है Power BI पे, he is working in one particular thing, one particular department only, and he has made a dashboard and he's just updating that dashboard. Learning from him, you will only learn one perspective of that. But if you're learning from a trainer who is just doing this work only, he'll show you how do you use in HR, how you use it in finance, how do you use it in marketing, how do you use it in all different aspects, right? कि कहाँ कैसे use हो सकता है. क्योंकि for example, if we are into work, we would be limited कि हमारा dashboard ऐसा होता है, हमारे ऐसे reports बनाने होते हैं, and that's it. You're done with it.
Yeah.
But once a person who's there in training, there are a lot of things. और यहाँ पर बच्चे क्या सवाल पूछे आएंगे किसको पता.
There is no script. जैसे मैंने कहा था कि जैसे ऑफिस में कहीं ना कहीं पे हमारे पास में स्क्रिप्ट होती है. It's a metaphorical term of saying something like हमें पता होता है कि मैनेजमेंट को क्या चाहिए.
Yeah.
So it's like we know a month before what we need to deliver. But when you're actually taking a live session, it's a surprise. No scripts, nothing. It's like open. So you have to be updated so well that किसी ने सवाल किया कि पिछले हफ्ते तो ये कुछ लॉन्च हुआ है, आप इसके बारे में कुछ बता सकते हैं. You should answer that question.
100%. अगर वहां पे if you say a good question, I'll get back to you.
तो फिर
वो तो नहीं चलता है,
नहीं
इसमें
चलता
नहीं
अभी.
चलता है.
और आजकल के जेंजी तो वहीं पर आपको
Yeah.
बोल देंगे कि इन्हें कुछ
If you don't answer their question satisfactorily, they'll not ask you another question.
they make a picture. If you answer 100 questions and we don't answer one question out of 100, they'll make a picture that you don't know anything.
हाँ, you don't know.
And that's the problem with the Gen Z people. They judge बहुत जल्दी से कर लेते हैं.
ये बात पे से और एक बात याद आई. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हर कोई जो है ना ऑफिस में या फिर जो भी अपना काम कर रहा है, वो डरा हुआ रहता है कहीं मैं पकड़ा ना जाऊं. पता नहीं क्या क्यों कैसे कहीं मैं पकड़ा ना जाऊं. हालांकि उसके सब सही है, सब एक्सपीरियंस सही है, सब कुछ सही है. कहीं मैं पकड़ा ना जाऊं क्या कि एक्सेल नहीं आता है या पावर बीआई नहीं आता है. खैर, that's something which a fear is there for all the people who
Yes.
are working in whatever aspects of field you're doing.